Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn off Narrator on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To turn off the screen reader Narrator on your PS5, follow these simple steps. So firstly, on the main menu, navigate to the settings icon, the gear icon, in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and choose to click Accessibility by clicking X on your PS5 controller. In the Accessibility menu, choose to click Screen Reader. Toggle the Enable Screen Reader option to off. This will disable the narrator feature on your PS5.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.